We are now live. Are you hot? No? Okay. I'm just going to wait for people to just jump on board and then I would just... There you go. 1 person. And 7 person. G'day! Hello everyone! Hello! I'm very loud. And what are we making today, you guys?
Candles.
Wow, they're excited!
I'm not excited.
Are you not excited? I mean, yes, that's it.
Give me 2 puppets, I'll be excited.
We are making toilet paper roll candles out of
beeswax.
Now I am gonna first show you what you need and how you need it and stuff like that. So we need who wants to hold the phone, Merit or okay. You also good afternoon, Mel. Your tea. Oh, Jesus. You're also gonna see messages coming and popping up, so you're gonna have to
read them
out. Unless this is something bad, yes.
Okay.
So, firstly, we're all gonna have what we call a toilet paper because nice one. We're wiping our butts at the moment, so we know it's very precious. But also, what we can do with this type of thing is that we can make a candle pillar, beeswax candle, just like that. So all you need is a toilet paper roll, empty one, obviously. You need a wick, so a cotton one, so you get some over there, as you can see. And you need some masking tape. Now, masking tape, what do you think we need the masking tape for?
To tape the bottom.
Yeah,
Bottom.
that's it.
I
So
got
I'm first going to show you, and then you can make as much mess as you want because beeswax actually is very good for wood. I have wood floor, which is great. But do you know how beeswax is made? Sorry, speaking English.
bees.
Yeah, how do they make it?
They pollen and they shot it out.
So,
shot them.
what is that? Honeycomb. So there's no honey, so it's beeswax. So it's comb. And bees makes this out of their body, so they need to eat 8 times the amount of it in nectar to be able to make this type of beeswax. And what I do is that when I have old wax like that inside of hives, I melt it and then I render it, and then we have hot wax. And with hot wax, we can make a whole lot of things. We can put beeswax around a coin. We can make beeswax wraps, something that you wrap your food in. And you can make candles and whole lip balms and stuff. Talking about lip balms, I got some for you. Actually for you. It's not for you. Hello! Alright, so very quickly. That's the worst thing.
You can't find the end.
Where's the end? So if you guys have any question on the other side of the phone, please do, because Merit is there. She has her glasses. She can read. We're going to take a little bit of gimme tape, and we're going to tape the bottom of our toilet paper roll. Now, this is not enough, so you need to take another piece. And you see there's the long pieces on this side. You need to cover the other pieces on the other side. Okay? Now we know that the sticky bit is at the bottom of it, so we can then stick the bottom of a wick down there. Actually, I had pens. Where's the pens? Pens?
Here, please. No.
Second. Yeah, it's alright. So if you take a pen and you try to aim your wick at the bottom of it and stick it with your pen, so you press very hard. Far out. We can swear in front of kids, can we?
Yes.
Jesus.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
So all you need to do is press with your pen down. I will go and get some pen for you. Good. So now we block the bottom of it, we stick the wick in there, and then what we're gonna do is
Give me the tape. Where's the
we're
tape?
gonna wait a second. We're gonna slowly take some of that, and we're gonna slowly pour a little bit at the bottom.
Slowly.
Nice. So we're
There's
just
a hole
gonna.
in there.
No, there's no hole in there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put a little bit in there, just like that. You can see. A little bit. You can see a little bit. Fergus? Just a little bit. Ava?
The junt says 5. Says hello.
Hello guys. Who said that?
The junt 5?
Okay, cool. And we're just gonna let it cool down a little bit. Meanwhile we do that, we can then after that jump on the thing. So once that's cooled down and the wick is attached to the bottom of that, we can then pour the rest of the beeswax in. Cool. Who starts?
Me. Give me.
All right, we're gonna tape the bottom of it. You can see.
Thank you.
We also can do that with like big handy roll. Let's make like giant ones. You can also put a couple of those if you want in there, so you can have 2 weeks. In the meantime, I will also give you some of that so you can make some candles. Tea light candles are so fun to make. If you have any question on the other side, please do ask a question.
Put another one across the bottom. No, the other way. Another one coming through, Fergus? Yeah, darling.
There's the pen just there.
You're right, darling. There's another one ready to get.
I'll go and get another pen.
Anybody have a pen?
Are you gonna make some too?
Yeah.
Mine.
Are you gonna make some too?
I'm going to. Mum, can you get me a pen?
Oh, but can you not get up and go in the kitchen and find some pen? Okay. Hi, you guys. We're making candles. Does everyone has candles today? Candles? Chip, 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 chip. So what's good about this type of thing is that keeps the beeswax warm and at the right temperature without actually be able to burn yourself. So if you stick your finger in there, you won't be able to burn yourself. It will hurt a little bit, but it's not that painful. Bonjour, bonjour. Yes, so the slow cooker is much easier to use. It's much easier to use. Sorry, I'm just going to turn around. It's much easier to use than just a boiling device, like a camping stove type of thing.
Johnny, slowly.
Cool. There's some pans here. There's a smaller jug.
Johnny, you tighten the wick.
Yeah, perfect.
Good boy.
Cool. So you pour a little bit in there, and once you've done that, we can have a look actually at that. Yep.
You alright, Ruby? Do you need a hand up?
Oh, did I put a pen over there?
We've got one. We'll give it to you in a second.
I need help.
Do you?
Cool.
So now you've got to get the string
We've
and
got
put
quite a long bit
it in the
of
bottom.
wick there, darling. Do you want to get a shorter one?
Just need Geordie.
Just grab a shorter one.
Making
One
candles.
that hangs over the edge as well. What's that head to it, Johnny?
Oh, I need some.
You stick it at the.
Oh,
You can do that. You grab a jug like that, and then you pour it in there. So that's starting to settle down. I can then pour it.
There's like a maggot on the
right down the
table.
bottom though, so it touches.
How do I fill up the
Is it stuck at the bottom? Yeah. So you take a little bit of beeswax just like that.
Did you put another piece across the bottom, Elizabeth?
Uh-oh, Elizabeth.
That looks hot.
That's a little bit hot. Let me help you with that.
Just Geordie, slowly, yeah? Okay. Jordan.
Okay.
Slowly, and then
So we wait a little bit.
Can I stick a little bit of my finger into the thing?
So what you can do is that you can take more of that beeswax and actually make your tea light candles.
Nice. I'm one step ahead of you guys.
She's a step ahead of you guys. Bravo, continue. Yes, merci. Bonjour.
Oh, my wick's come out.
Is that not?
Does that matter, Vanessa? If the wick pulls out?
It does matter because
mine
otherwise
is
it's
as
not going to burn right till the end. So you want the wick to be able to be stuck at the bottom of it.
What happens if it's already been poured in there?
it won't work properly. Stick your finger in there.
Gone in with the pen.
Now you can, yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna need
Can't reach it there.
So you put a little bit, you do it. I'm not going to do it for you. Beeswax is not dangerous. It's actually at the temperature that it is at the moment.
It's going to be a little bit hot, Geordie, not kill it. No,
Now, one of the things that you don't want to do is leave the beeswax in there, otherwise it's going to settle in and it's going to solidify, and then it's going to be wasted. So you pour it
Is it
once you
okay
use
if the
it.
beeswax is on the table?
Yeah, that's okay.
Because like,
So
it
what you
might be
do,
on the table.
so what you do, you're just going to let it cool down, and when it's cool, you can then after that scratch it and then pour it. Do you want?
nice.
Did you do yours? Where's yours?
Finally.
Yay! We have more people coming through.
Where's your wig?
Oh, mine broke. Mine failed.
Hello.
Mine
Beeswax. Come on through. Salut la famille.
I'll have 3 pieces.
Ruby, what happened now? Did the wig come out? Yeah.
Cool.
2
This is Cassie.
Sweetheart.
Come and join. We making beeswax candles out of toilet paper rolls because it's fun. And we're recycling at the same time. And I have a lot of beeswax to take away, but I really love your pants actually. They have a bee on there. That's cool. Lovely. Cool. Watch it from the terrace, BC. Hey, hi. So how's everyone going? So we need to put at the bottom. So we need to put at the bottom of your thing some tape. So you can cut. Then after that, cut a little bit of wick like that. Well, actually, there's more on that side. So you, yeah. See, that's the thing. So you put too much in there. You need to use a new toilet paper roll, baby. And you need to take this out. So you need to, yeah. So this is actually going to be a great fire starter.
Mum, I know how to do those little long things.
Yes. Okay, you can do it then. Fantastic.
Why does that hurt so bad?
It doesn't hurt. Do you have it? Cool. Perfect.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that's all right. So if it's leaking a little bit, you can put it inside of that tray and just wait until it's like settled a little bit. So
Do you remember doing this one, Fergus? Do you remember doing this guy?
all right. Anyways, it's chaotic, so I'm gonna let you go, guys. I hope you learned something, and if you didn't learn something, I'm sorry. And yeah, look at them. They're making candles, like just like you learned, Fergus, the first time. So hand dip candles, remember you need to wait at least 5 seconds before dipping it back in. So like that, it makes a better, yeah, so you just wait 5 seconds. So you put it 1, 2, and then you wait 5 seconds before you finish. Because the wax is hot, and then you're removing it. All right. Anyways, see you guys later. Toodaloo. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.